the egg.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make tomato fried egg. Yeah. Now, how to make a tasty tomato fried egg and how do you make the fried egg smooth? I'm going to show you the tricks in this particular video. So stay tuned until the end of this particular video. Yeah. Now, I have two pieces of chicken egg here. This is free range chicken egg, my personal preference. And I have one piece of, this is tomato cut into big chunks. And this is 3-4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. So first of all, let's season the egg. I'm going to give it some fish sauce, or you can just put in some salt. Few dashes of white pepper. Mix everything up. Now there's one more thing to add to make it real smooth. I'll show you shortly. Which is this. This is give it some 2 to 3 tablespoons of starch solution. Yeah. This is the secret of making your fried egg, tomato fried egg smooth. Now one very important thing here is oil. I'm going to give it 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to start with. And the first thing for us to saute is tomato sauce. You need to saute the tomato sauce so that you will bring out the color of the redness, yeah, the reddishness. Immediately you're going to see the oil turning orangey. Yeah. That is one of the secrets of giving it some really nice color of this particular dish. See the color, notice the color of the oil turning color, turning orangey. This is why you always need to saute your tomato sauce. And this tomato sauce, of course, is going to add in the sourish and also sweetness to this particular dish. Then we add in the tomato chunks. Of course, you want to remove the top stem, yeah. Saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Now it already looks really good, isn't it? Now we can actually add some seasoning right now. Give it a little bit of light soy sauce. And you can add in some sugar if you like. Yeah, optional, up to you. Wow, super nice. And now we are going to add in the egg. Wow, look at the beautiful color. Beautiful color. See, the egg is started to take shape and the egg is super smooth. This is the reason why we are adding in the starch solution. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. Of course, if some will prefer the drier egg version, then you don't add in any starch solution. So you can have different kinds of what we call fried egg tomato, up to you. Yeah, you choose whatever kinds that you personally prefer. This is the one with smooth egg. Look at how smooth is the egg. And all the egg is covered and coated with the nice sweet and sour tomato sauce. Wow, super fragrant right now. And then you can add in some spring onion right now for garnishing. It is basically done. Ta-da! That's how easy it is. Tomato fried egg. So here's my tomato fried egg, and I put some fresh coriander on top. Right. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.